you've got your Rotadairon, whether you purchased or rented one. Now you're out in the field. How do you adjust it? Well, you adjust the depth control with the two taller jacks here and here, and then you adjust the grading bar with the smaller jacks here and here. And what you're looking for is, the first thing you want to do is adjust your depth control mechanism. So the roller wheel carries the weight of the machine, acts as a soil packer, also acts as a depth control mechanism. So you drop this frame by screwing these jacks one way or another to hold the machine up out of the dirt. What you're really looking for ultimately is you want to keep this bearing out of the dirt. You don't want it dragging through the soil. So you want the soils running just below this bearing here. Okay, and if the machine is in the soil, so the bearing is running out of the ground, that's approximately your best operating depth. Once you adjust the operating depth, then you come back and you adjust your grader bar depth. You want the grader bar low enough to capture enough screen fines between the upper part of the grader bar and the excess fines. Because this side is blocked with this mechanism, it keeps your screen fines from rolling out onto your previous pass. It forces all the screen fines to roll out that other side. You want this grader bar down low enough to where the screen fines roll out between this bend and this bend. And that's your proper adjustment for your grader bar. And we'll show that a little bit later on in the video. Right now, the first thing you do, you got the machine on the tractor or your skidster, you put it in the ground and you start tilling, and you go 20, 30, 40 feet, and then you stop and take a look at where your machine is at. We're going to do that now. And take a look at this bearing. If this bearing is dragging in the dirt, it's too deep. You can run it that way, but it's really hard to grade out the divot that is made by this bearing because the grader bar does not extend over the divot and it doesn't smooth that out. The roller wheel here does extend out onto the previous pass, but oftentimes if the divot is too deep and you're running your machine way deep, that divot is so deep that the roller wheel does not grade that out. So what we want to do here is we want to raise the machine by lowering this roller wheel, and we're going to do it by screwing the taller screw jacks. And I always use a tape measure because I can never remember how many turns I turned. It's just a whole lot easier. Pull out the pin, and that looks like it needs to come up about an inch. So it's at 9 inches now. We're going to raise it to 10. Boy, I need both hands. A little bit more. And then whatever measurement you have here from the top of the frame to the top of the screw jack, do the same thing on this other screw jack. Now that you've got these adjusted the same, you run another pass, see where that bearing is going to end up. We check this bearing again, and we repeat the process until this bearing is riding just outside of the surface of the ground. Maybe in just a little bit. Looks like that could go down a ½ an inch to get its maximum operational depth, so I'm going to lower it a ½ an inch. It looks like it's a little low. I'll come up just a little bit, and you just keep playing with that on and off until you get it at the depth you want. It doesn't have to be perfect, but you just don't want it so deep that you're digging a hole that the machine can't cover up when you're tilling. But I like to get it as deep as possible so I can get the maximum depth of the operating machine. This could come up just another crank, so I think I'll bring it up one crank, and then that's going to be where I want to operate. Okay, number one, adjust the depth control. We just did that. Second thing is adjust the grater bar. It does you no good to have it up here in the air. You want it down on the ground, capturing enough soil right here and rolling out between this bend and that bend. If the grater bar is not smoothing all the way across, you get little holes like this. So what we'll do is we'll start lowering the grater bar to where the dirt is rolling out between this bend and this upper bend right here at the very maximum. Minimum at that bend, maximum at that bend. So using the same method, only on the smaller screw jacks. Looks like that's got to come down, an inch, so we'll drop this an inch. And we'll do the other one the same depth. 10 inches. And 10 inches, and we'll give that a shot, see where we're at. Well, it looks like we need to come down a little bit more, so we'll drop it down a little bit more. And we keep doing that until we get it right where we want.